So I'm going to do a quick tour of Debbie's plot now. And Debbie's plot is the plot we think of as our perennial allotment plot, and it's not truly perennial in that there's quite a lot of stuff on there that is kind of plant and forget, which, as I say, is not what you normally think of as perennial, but it suits Debbie's style of gardening, where she plants the squash and then basically just waters it and harvests it in a few months' time. So let's take a look. So this is our perennial plot. It's looking pretty nice. The beech hedge is really coming on now, so that's going to look really gorgeous. A friend of ours gave us these little trees, and we've got them at the back there as well, on that back fence. Looking gorgeous. Just have a quick skim round. So we've got Jerusalem artichokes there, just about to be tied in. Flowers here, interplanted with these red cabbages, which are coming on quite nicely, although they're getting in the way a bit. Gooseberries and raspberries down this edge, various apple trees down here, looking quite nice. Welsh onions there going to seed, and then some more cabbages and calabrese down here, and then new plantings of various brassicas all over the place, and there's a mix of Romanesco cauliflowers and white cauliflowers and calabrese, and there's some more of those there, some more of those there, and scattered around. Rhubarb, of course, figs, blackberries, globe artichokes, plum, pear, some more mixed brassicas, kales and red cabbages and the like, and then these are pretty much finished, just waiting side shoots. Calabrese, new asparagus bed, which is in its second year. Berries, currants rather, here. Raspberries, a few of those are ready. Rhubarb, mixed herbs, more mixed herbs, more mixed herbs. And then this is a crop we're really excited about. So we grew it last year. This is yacon. We've got another yacon plant here. And these are just the most amazingly prolific winter root. There's a few spare onions there. Last few of the broad beans here. A few more of those brassicas, those are the Romanescos. Late cropping strawberries there. Sweet corn. And then this is the main bed. And this is all Crown Prince squash interplanted with sweet corn. And the Jubilee flags. So, hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.